Looking for an easy way for students to demonstrate and showcase their skills in health science? A digital portfolio is a great way for learners to capture the process of their learning as well as showcase the final products of their work. The concepts learned in career and technical education courses like health science are often challenging to highlight on paper. My name is Sam J.K. Neal, and I am a Customer Success Manager for Bulb Digital Portfolios. I'm going to show you the many ways a digital portfolio initiative with Bulb can transform health science. You can access all of the resources shared in this presentation at bit.ly/Bulb Health Science. Be sure to use all lowercase letters when navigating to the link. At the link, you will not only find great example portfolios and templates to explore, you'll also find a Padlet reflection and community building space. You can tap a link to open the Padlet in a new tab. Take a moment to access the resources that we will reference throughout the presentation and have them handy as we dive in. This past year, Bulb and ICEV partnered together to enhance ICEV's curriculum with a powerful and easy-to-use portfolio. Using Bulb, students can demonstrate their knowledge and skills through hands-on examples. Additionally, students can display their written work while exhibiting their industry certifications and credentials. How do your health science learners currently demonstrate their knowledge and skills? Remember, if you'd like to use the Padlet for reflection, you can find it on the Bulb resource page. Let's take a look at how learners can leverage the tools and features Bulb offers in order to bring their learning to life and show their skills in action. A Bulb digital portfolio is a place where learners can demonstrate their skills. Kelsey is a certified nursing assistant at Crestview High School in Houston, Texas. Kelsey documents her learning in her Bulb digital portfolio. You can see from Kelsey's profile page that her portfolio is organized into different collections, making it easy to navigate to all of her content. Her CNA project collection contains pages that showcase her learning in action. You can click on any of the pages to see how Kelsey has documented her ability to measure and record blood pressure, wash her hands, make an occupied bed, and measure height and weight. On this page, Kelsey has outlined the procedure for washing your hands. It's important for Kelsey to be able to articulate the steps she should take when washing her hands. The real test, though, is whether Kelsey can put those steps into action. Kelsey has included a video in which she shows herself completing all the necessary procedures as she explains what she's doing, making it very easy to assess Kelsey's skill level.
So I'm going to address the patient by name and introduce myself as Kelsey Johnson. I'm going to remove all the items from my hands and my wrists and turn on the faucet. I'm going to wet my hands and my wrists and apply the soap. I'm going to lather the soap all over the surfaces of my hands for at least 20 seconds using friction. I'm going to keep my hands lower than my elbows with my fingertips down. I am going to clean my fingernails and rinse my hands and wrists, keeping my hands lower than my elbows with fingertips pointing down. Now I'm going to dry my hands with clean, dry paper towel and dispose of the paper towel.
Kelsey has also included peer feedback on her page to show areas of strength as well as opportunities for growth. This example of Kelsey's experiences in her CNA program leveraged text, images, and video in order to bring her experiences and skills to life. Consider the many skills your students learn as part of your program. With the many file types Bulb has to offer, consider what skills would be most beneficial to show in an image. What would be important for learners to write out? How could they best show what they know and can do with video? Could they reflect in an audio recording? What other file types do you utilize in your program? Do learners create presentations in Google Slides? Do they create interactive images with ThemeLink? Do they reflect in Padlet? All of these media types and more can be directly embedded into Bulb so that learners can show what they know in new and powerful ways. With public content or a private share link, anyone, such as an educator, program director, college admissions specialist, internship director, or prospective employer can see Kelsey's skills for themselves, making it easy to determine that she is capable of the skills that would otherwise be listed on a resume or application with no proof she could actually do them. Take a minute to consider how rich media, like in Kelsey's example, can bring learning and skills to life in a digital portfolio. Learners can curate their certifications in their digital portfolio, which can then support them as they apply for college, programs, scholarships, and internships. Take a look at how Elizabeth curates SEC system certifications in a collection. The visual page display makes it easy to see that this applicant is highly qualified to continue her studies. You can then open individual certification pages to see her certificate. Take some time to explore the example certification collections available on the Bulb resource page. Consider the different certifications health science students can earn. How can a curated collection of certifications give learners advantages as they apply for additional learning and work experiences? Students can highlight and reflect upon their work, study, and internship experiences in their digital portfolio. Like curating certifications, this can give them an advantage when applying to further their learning and work experience. The University of Tennessee Periodontics program utilizes Bulb as a part of their curriculum. As students learn and apply new skills, they document and reflect upon their experiences in their digital portfolio. In order to provide an organized structure as well as content requirements, periodontics students access templates created just for them. This means that rather than starting from scratch, students are accessing pre-created content like this to house their work, making it easy to understand what is required of them as well as organizing their work in a meaningful way. In order to copy a template, a student only has to log into Bulb and access the template they want to use. Once they have accessed the right template, they tap Use Template in the Bulb menu bar in order to bring a copy of the template into their portfolio. Once the template is copied into their portfolio, they can begin working through the content and embedding evidence of their learning, and customizing what is on the page to best fit their needs. In this sports medicine course, students access course materials in Bulb. With the templates copied into their digital portfolio, they can interact with and reflect upon course content, like this chain of infection map. Take a minute to consider how Bulb templates can transform your health science program. Remember that all of the resources we explored today can be found at bit.ly/Bulb Health Science. Not only will you find the reflection space, but you will also be able to access exemplar portfolios and resources from the ICEV Bulb partnership. Not only is Bulb a robust platform, it is a very user-friendly platform where users can bring their learning and skills to life. Students can create a page with a simple push of a button. When editing a page, a student can add text and embed video, images, files, audio, or a URL so that they can display work from the web, such as reflections on a Padlet, a created theme link, and more. In addition to video, image, and audio, Bulb integrates with 1,900 file types, making it accessible with many of the programs our learners already utilize. This allows students to show their learning in a variety of meaningful ways. Publishing and sharing features allow users to control who sees their content, whether that be a single teacher, a class, or publicly. They can even use a private share link so that certain content can only be accessible to anyone who has the link. This is great for learners applying to more than one college or program who may want to tailor their content to each specific application and to only be visible to one specific group. Bulb accounts are accessible on any device and will follow students through their future endeavors. They never lose access to their portfolio. Once students have built their digital portfolio, they can utilize the online platform to display their work when applying for internships, colleges, or jobs. Bulb and ICEV have partnered together to enhance ICEV's curriculum with a powerful and easy-to-use portfolio. Whether overwhelmed by a blank canvas or looking for inspiration, Bulb users can access pre-created templates that they can complete or adapt in order to best fit their needs. Using the ICEV Health Science templates, students can collect artifacts and show evidence of mastery and acquired skills through templates created specifically for ICEV Health Science projects. ICEV offers great pre-created Bulb templates that align with the ICEV projects and can be adapted to fit any program or need. ICEV is also continually working to build their library of resources to support their curriculum. After navigating to the ICEV Health Science collection, you can explore a variety of templates. There are many skills demonstration collections like this one, with templates that provide learners with opportunities to practice, perfect, and showcase their skills that they learn in health science. Students write out the steps of the procedure they are learning, then practice the skill. Once they feel confident about their ability to demonstrate the skill, they film themselves doing the skill and embed that video into their portfolio. They can also add any feedback they have received. Career exploration is another important aspect of any career and technical education course. ICEV provides opportunities for students to explore different health science pathways, and even create a career plan. This template asks learners to use a variety of modalities to support different learning styles and needs. Students will write, utilize images, and use the audio recording feature to create their career plan. Take some time to explore the many examples and templates available on the Bulb resource page. Use the Padlet as a reflection and community building space. As we've seen, Bulb digital portfolios transform health science by providing learners an intuitive, polished, and professional space to showcase their skills and tell their story in their unique voice. A robust digital portfolio will give health science students an advantage when applying to college, programs, scholarships, and internships. Revisit the resources at bit.ly/Bulb Health Science. Use the Padlet to reflect upon your experiences today. Explore exemplar portfolios and access ICEV Bulb resources. Reach out to us at help@bulbapp.com or find us on Twitter @bulbapp. We look forward to connecting with you.